Namaste, dear yoga seeker. Today I bring a yin yoga lesson for you. In this yin yoga lesson, you don't need to use any props, but definitely I will show you some modification which can help you to do the poses easily. So without wasting time, let's start today. See you on the mat. Let's bring your both palm together, front of the chest. We're gonna chant 3 Om to bring a positive vibration around, and then bow down your head towards your fingertips. Dedicate your practice. I'm gonna dedicate my practice to the yogis. Let's start the first asana. We're gonna do butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Bring the both sole of the feet together, toes forward, heels in. Raise your both arms up and fall forward. Remember, you should not push yourself too much. Go as much as you can. Knees open. You can bring the arms in and drop your head on your arms. If your head cannot reach to the floor, or then you can make a feast and rest your head on your feast. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Remember, we're gonna hold the posture for next 2 to 3 minutes. Try to calm yourself here. Try to say yourself, I'm here, I'm here, and I'm here. Be present in the class, in this session. You can feel that with every exhalation, you're going deep in the posture. You can feel your knees going more towards the Mother Earth. You can feel that your hip going to open more, deeper, deeper, and deeper. Relax. Yin Yoga is a practice of healing. Stay here a few more seconds. And now bring the energy back to your both arm. Press the palm and slowly, slowly come up. Little bit push a knee up and down to releasing the tension. Bring the both knees together. Rest your head on your knees. Hug your knees. Relax. Here, you no need to give the tension on your spine. The spine should be have natural curve. Open the leg and shake your leg. Cross the leg. Press your palm and go for tabletop. Inhale, arch your back, look to the ceiling. Exhale, curve your spine, look to the navel. Repeat at least 3 times. Inhale, arching the back, and exhale, curving the spine. Now, walking with your finger forward and try to drop your head on the yoga mat. If you are beginners, it's easy to drop your head if you are not using any blocks. You can drop the elbow, and if you want more deeper, you can drop the chest and chin on the yoga mat and looking between the both palm. We're gonna hold this posture for 2 to 3 minutes so you can close your eyes. And with the closed eyes, try to visualize the chest. Try to visualize the stretch on your upper body. Yin practice is a meditative yoga posture practice. You can keep your eyes closed and hold for a few more seconds. Mind should be peaceful. There should be no thoughts from the past, future, or present. Focus on your breath. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Press the palm on the floor and pushing the hip forward, lay down on your belly. From here, try to drop the elbow and inhale, lift the chest up. Remember, your elbow and shoulder should be in one line. Looking up can cause a pain on your cervical, on your neck. So try to just look forward. Remember, we not pushing ourselves. So just look forward. There should be no tension on your back of the neck. You can look forward or you can look on the floor. Or either you can close your eyes. With the closed eyes, again try to visualize your back. Try to feel the blood flow on your back. With every deep inhale, you're going deep in the position. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Mentally aware. Now press your palm and push your hip back. Go for tabletop. Again, arching the back. Inhale and exhale, curving the spine. Try to release the tension with the cat and cow position. Simple, lift the leg up, cross your leg, push your hip back, come for the Dandasana. Now, bend your left leg and right leg little bit out, straight, raise the both arms up, exhale, fall forward, gazing towards the toes. You can press the palm on the floor and walking with your finger forward. Deep inhale and deep exhale. With every exhalation, try to go deeper in the position. Try to focus your mind on your present position. Focus and aware what you're doing right now. Your right leg toe should be flexed and back of the knees touching the ground if possible. You can have a natural curve on your spine. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly, slowly come up and we're gonna change the leg. Inhale, raise your both arms up and exhale, fall forward. With every exhalation, go deeper and deeper. Keep walking with your finger forward. Inhale and exhale. Don't push yourself too hard, too strong. Remember, we are practicing yin. Yin is a practicing for healing. Yin is a practice to make your mind peaceful, and it helps to flow blood towards your veins. Deep inhale and exhale. Now, slowly, slowly come up. Don't push yourself too much when you're coming up. Just slowly, slowly. Simple cross your leg, palm front of the chest. We're gonna chant Hari Om and three times Shanti inside. Bow down your head towards your fingertips, or you can fully forward bend. Say thanks to the Mother Earth, and very important, say thanks to yourself.